Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are going to make a Indian style pasta. We are going to make macaroni in a Makhani sauce. This can be sent in the lunchbox or used as a snack recipe for the evenings, especially for kids. Even adults can enjoy this. You can make it as spicy as you want it to be. So the detailed ingredients list is in the description box below. Please do check it. So let's start cooking. So we need to first cook the pasta, for which I have boiled some water with some salt and oil added to it. Let's add the pasta into this boiling water. We'll just allow the pasta to cook until it is soft to touch. Once the pasta is cooked like that, I have drained the water and rinsed it with some cold water and kept it aside. Now the pasta should be little hard. It should not become too soft. It should be soft but still hold its shape. So that's ready. I've got some butter in here, some Kashmiri red chili powder, some mixed herbs. You can use mixed herbs if you have, or if you have a pizza seasoning packet, you can use one packet of that. I've got half a cup of milk here. I've got 4 to 5 cashews, garlic pods, tomatoes which I've chopped roughly, and 1 medium onion which I've chopped roughly. So this is all the things that you require to make this dish. So let's start making the pasta. I've got a kadai on fire. I've got the butter and a little bit of oil heating up in it. Once the butter is hot enough, we'll add in the garlic pods and saute. Now add the onions. Saute the onions as well until they soften. Now the onions have softened. I'm going to add the tomato. After adding the tomato, you can add sufficient salt. Remember, we have already salted the water in which the pasta boiled, so adjust salt accordingly. Now we'll wait for the tomatoes to soften and become mushy. The tomatoes have softened well. Now we'll switch off the gas. Add the cashew nuts and just give it a toss. Now let this mixture cool completely, after which we will grind it in a mixie to a smooth paste. So I've got the paste ready in here. I'm heating the rest of the butter in this pan. Once that's hot enough, we'll add in the Kashmiri chili powder and the mixed herbs. Let's just cook out the red chili. Once the red chili is cooked, we'll add in the paste. Now we'll just cook the paste in the butter until the oil comes out. The paste is cooked well. Now we'll add in milk. Mix well. and bring it to a boil on a low heat. The sauce has come to a boil. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar to this to balance the flavors. I've kept the sauce a little thick in consistency. If you want it to be a little more runny, then you can add a little boiled water. Now the sauce is ready. Let's switch off the flame and we'll add in the pasta. Now if you wish to, you can add any vegetables into this dish. Just boil the vegetables separately and just toss it in along with the pasta. So the pasta is ready. So the macaroni in a Makhani sauce is ready. It's quite simple to make and hence a very good recipe for the lunchbox. So do try this at home, and if you like it, please do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Until I see you next time, bye bye.